Did you do your homework?
Which
Did you do
homework? Which homework?
pre-algebra homework? Our pre-algebra homework.
I don't think my dad gave it to me.
You don't think your dad gave it to you. Why? You have access to the homework, right?
But my dad usually gives me my homework.
I am a little worried, guys, because I do see. Uh, okay. And Devansh, you didn't do your homework?
Which is it from the pre-algebra book?
Yeah, 3.1 and 3.2 looks like you didn't do, right?
I did that.
Oh, wait. Oh, 3.1 and 3.2?
Hmm.
Oh, I did that.
I did that.
You did that now. I don't see it in the classroom, right? How am I to know?
Oh.
See, that's my problem. Similarly, Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya, Sarvata. Sarvata, I didn't see the other. Sarvata, you did both, ma?
Oh yeah, I did both. I forgot to post it because I did it on a separate thing. I'll post it next class.
Okay, as long as you do it, that's great for me. Okay.
Or I'll post it after this class, after class ends.
Oh my God, I did send it incorrectly, I think. Okay, anyway. Okay, I don't know. I misgraded, I think. Anyway, I can't change it now. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. See, Unit 4. See, I can only go fast when you guys cooperate with me. With respect to the assignment, right, let me show you what is going on. This is what I see in Google Classroom. Unless you guys, everybody cooperates with me, it's not going to go well. Okay, now I gave you two homework, right? Hey, I know where Vaibhav, did you start working with your mom on the previous units?
No.
Still not yet. That's okay. Okay. Now, 3.1 and 3.2 I gave you. Okay. Unit 4 I asked you to do. What is concerning is many of you have not submitted it. You see, I don't know if you did it or not. If you did it, I have to see, or you have to put a note that I did. My parent did not submit it. And you're all in grade 5 or 6. So I really want you to submit the PDF back. Your mom and dad need not submit it back. You see what I mean? You can go ahead and submit it. Can I expect that from you guys?
Yes.
Okay. But I am not seeing homework now. The class will completely slow down. I can never complete by Jan or Feb. Okay, only when you do show work as a class, the class will move forward. That's how my Algebra 1 AOPS works. They all are on top of their toes. They will all finish their homework and come. They are 1 year ahead of you, no doubt. 1 year older as well. But they're all very cooperative. Okay, one another important thing that I want you guys to know. How many of you have online login in AOPS? You don't have?
I do.
Okay, AOPS online you have logins?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Now I'm going to
I also have a login in online.
yeah, see, I really want to know. Can you raise your hand using the raise hand button?
Wait, if we have it?
If you have it, raise your hand using the raise hand button. If you have it, I want to show you something before I move on, and I want everybody to start practicing on that.
Is it Alchemist?
Yes, Alchemist. Did I tell you about?
Johan told me about it, so I started working on it a
Oh,
bit.
wow. Okay, we are listening. Go ahead.
Wait.
I'm listening. Go ahead with whatever.
I only did the first 5 ones.
I see. So you know about it, correct?
I
Okay,
got
good.
through some while I was in India, just so because I had finished the homework, so I just got through some on my spare time.
Oh, that is nice. Did I tell you about it, Alchemist?
You told my mom about it.
Oh, see, I don't remember. Okay. Viraj, did I tell about this to you?
No.
Okay, guys, I really want all of you to listen and note down what we are doing now. Okay, the class is recorded, but that doesn't mean that you can depend on that. Okay, please note down. You should have a notebook, you should have a pencil, you should note down whatever we are discussing. This is something I have been forgetting to tell the class for the past 3 weeks. So I really wanted to bring it up first in class today. Go to this website artofproblemsolving.com. This is a free resource. You have to create your login. How will you create your login? Just like in Gmail, you get an ID, right? Like that, talk to your parents, get an ID. You got it? Once you get an ID, then you can log in using that ID. I don't know. If I sign out, I don't know what would happen. Okay, sign in like this. Okay, you have to sign in. Make sense? See? Now I go here. Are you noting this? Vaibhav and Avi are new to me. Are you guys noting it?
Yes.
How about you, Avi? Are you noting it?
Yes.
Okay, good. You go. Then go to resources. Sarvata, you're also learning it for the first time, right, Ma?
Yes.
Definitely, I want you guys to do this. Are you going to Alchemist? Do you see Alchemist? This is a free resource. This is a treasure. I want you to use that. Okay, my Algebra 1 kids are like a 99 on all of their pre-algebra topics. They're really good. And every
Do we
week I
have
will
to
ask.
do we have to get like to a high like 98 like do we have to get to a high blue like 98, 99?
Come there. Hold on, Vian. You're too fast. Okay, now let me go to Alchemist. Resources, Alchemist. Hereafter, I will never say this in class. I will just ask you for your Alchemist status. So please note down. Go to Alchemist. There is a play button. It's not a game. Okay, it's real math. Okay, now I want you to go to your profile. See, my profile is very bad. I don't sit and play this. Okay, so when you go to your profile, not the profile, settings, sorry, settings, make sure the problem difficulty is easy at first. Then you can set it to normal. First, as a starter, it's okay to do easy, or do it in normal. Normal is better. Actually, if you set it to normal, it is better. Make sense? Can I go ahead and show you? Now go to play. When you click on, please guys, listen. When you click on change focus, you get pre-algebra right on top. You have all these topics, right? Do you know that we have covered till here? We have covered all of this. Does that make sense? Till date, we have covered all of this. You know what I want you to do? I would like you to start from here. Avi, you don't have to wait. You can just go ahead. I have already spoken to you, right, Avi? So you can definitely go ahead with arithmetic addition, multiplication, arithmetic negatives, arithmetic subtraction, arithmetic reciprocals, arithmetic division. When I click on one topic, you know what it does? I will click on multiplication. Then if I say set new focus, I will get problems in arithmetic multiplication. When I get these problems in arithmetic multiplication, you know what I'll do? Who wants to assist? I am not asking Avi or Vaibhav. Other people can respond. Who is going to tell me how to do this? If I were you, I would do this at home.
I know how to do it.
Yeah, go ahead. How?
So 1212 is a common number, so take that out.
Oh, wow, lady. Good job, Aradhya.
And then just do 55 minus 15 and multiply it.
Did you do a lot of work in India?
Yeah.
I know, right? It was frustrating, but now you see the benefit of it. I know. 40 times 1212. Now, is it easy? Make sense? Does that make sense, guys?
Yes.
Avi, does it make sense to do it easier, Avi?
Yes.
So I want you to do things like this at home. And you know what is your target? You have to screen share and show me next class. Meaning, when we meet next in class, right? 1 second. I want to have my headphone on. So what was our answer? I forgot our answer. 40. I don't remember my answer. 40 times 1, 2 is what? 8, 4.
It was 48480.
Thank you. So let me go. What is going on? Let me go ahead and type. This is what I want you to do. I'm showing what I want you to do. 48480. Enter. See, next problem. You cannot stop with one problem. Every single day I want you to do 10 problems. That is math. Every single day I want you to do 10 problems. How to do this, guys? Anybody? Other than the one answered.
I can do it.
Okay, Viana. Anybody else? Arihan, how to do? Or Devansh, Viraj, how to do?
So, you since 26 is common, you take it out,
Yep.
and then 103 plus 97 times 26.
So what is it? 200 times 26. How easy it is?
26,000? 2600?
I got the answer before you. 5200. Submit. This is what I want you to do. See, my score improved to 47. You got it? So next week, I'll pick out people. You have to screen share with me and show. The next week, I'll choose people who did not screen share today to screen share with me. Meaning, next week, whoever doesn't screen share will get to show it. They're following me. Can we try that? And in this, arithmetic addition, multiplication, negatives, subtraction. I want the 4.
68.
That's good. I want the 4, all of these 4 to go to a 98. Does it make sense? 98, not 97. Does it make sense? Do you understand
Yes.
what to do in Alchemist? So, I'm
Yes.
going to copy this to here. Okay. Alchemist topics for July 3rd week. Okay. So, all these should go to 98. Can I have that as a homework for you guys? Every single day, if you do 10 problems, automatically it will go. Make sense? Yes, Aradhya, what is your question?
So if you like already have like say like a 95, can you like go back and do it again and like bring it up?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely, that is okay, ma'am.
Miss Priya, can you say what the homework is again so I can write it down?
Yeah. No, I'm putting it in Google Classroom.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I will never do that like that. Maximum, I try to put it in the Google Classroom so that nobody forgets and nobody says I didn't give. Make sense? You all know what to do now? Once you say submit here, I can ask you to screen share. That's what it means. And if I want you to screen share, you should show with a 98. You see? Does that make sense? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now can we start the class? Okay. 3.1, 3.2 we did, right? But I don't know, unit 4 is pending from all of you. I don't know why. I don't know. Unit 4, Sarvata, did you finish Unit 4, ma? How much of Unit 4 you did, or was it tough, ma?
I did all of it. I only had a few questions.
Oh my God. Do you want to? Okay. Let me not discuss those now. Let me go back to 3.3. Okay. Let me go directly to factors and multiples. Let's see. 1 second, guys. I'm going to go to 3. Okay, how about this, guys? You all know what are prime numbers, right? Avi and particularly Avi and Vaibhav. Do you all know what are prime numbers?
Yes.
Okay, I want two yes, right? Only one.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so now I don't know how many of you know divisibility as well. Let's see. Suppose if I want a number to be tested, let's say 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 9. Is this divisible by 2? Viraj, do you know how to check?
No.
See the ending number. This has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then it is divisible by 2. Make sense? Okay. Now, the same number, if you want to check whether it is divisible by 3, what is the easiest method?
Can I explain?
Yes, Arihan.
Okay. So how it works is if you want to know if a number is divisible by 3, add
Mm.
all the digits. So then that's 3, 7.
Mm-hmm.
That's 46. Wait, is it 46?
Yeah. Instead of doing that, I would want to cast off the nines. I would want to cast off the nines. Nines mean it is divisible by 3. So cast off the
Oh,
nines. It makes it so much easy.
wait,
Cast off the
you cast it off at 8.
8 and 1 I did. Haha. 8
Oh,
and 8 and 1 I did.
and you can also do 4 and 5.
Yeah, I can also do 4 and 5. Good job.
That's 4.
Now,
So that's
now
not,
what remains is 4.
not
So
divisible.
the remainder, when I divide this number by 3, the remainder will be what?
1.
1. It is not directly divisible by 3. Do you see it, guys?
Yes.
How about 65492? Is this number divisible by 3?
No.
Avi, go ahead. Avi, go ahead.
No.
Go ahead, Avi.
No. No.
Okay, Avi, what will be the remainder if divided by 3?
It would be 1. It would be 2.
Wait,
Two.
that was a question for Avi. Go ahead.
It would be 2.
Yeah, 2. Correct. Remainder is 2. So you all understood that the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 for a number to be divisible by 3. Now we have discussed divisibility by 2 has been done, 3 has been done. How do you check divisibility by 4? 4, 9, 1, 2, 6, 5, 3. How to
4
check?
is, I think the last 2 digits have to be divisible.
Exactly. The last 2 digits are the one you need to check whether they are divisible by 4. How? If I divide by 4, here 4 times 1 is 1, 1 carry. 4 times 3 is 12 and there is a remainder. So it is not divisible by 4. However, if I have...
Can I add on?
Yeah, go ahead.
I mentioned this like 2 weeks ago, but
Mm.
remember when I said like, so 8 is 3 digits? If it's
Mhm.
16, every time you double it, you add one more digit. So if you want to know if it's just divisible by 16, you check the most 4 digits.
Good job.
And just, you check the first 4 digits.
Very nice. We have been discussing on and off the same thing, right?
And then one thing I also explained last class is like, see how 2 to the power 4 is 16? It also
Mhm.
works for the other things. The other ones, 32, 5,
Yep.
2 to the power
Yep.
5, it's 32.
Yep. Good job. We'll move on now, Arihan. Okay. So we just want to know about 4 and 8. Okay. For
Okay.
checking divisibility by 4, we are just going to check the last 2 digits. But that was a good insight for bigger numbers. If you want to check divisibility by 5, 4, 3, 1, 9, 2, 6, 3. How to check divisibility by 5?
It
I think
has
somebody else, Rian, Arihan, no, I don't want somebody else to answer. Avi, you have it in your brain, go ahead.
It wouldn't be divisible by 5 because the ending number is not 0 or 5.
Good job. So, ending number should be 0 or 5. This is last 2 digits. This and all you will memorize in the long run. This is sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Now, ending digit, units digit should be 0, 2. You have to take notes for all these. 4, 6, 8.
I already
Okay.
have them memorized.
Good job. How about 6? How to check divisibility by 6? The same number, you can check whether it's divisible by 6. How to? Avi has it? Okay, go ahead, Avi.
It has to be divisible. It has to be divisible by 2 and 3.
It has to be divisible by, yeah. So, because when you look at this, right, you can split it as the product of 2 and 3, right? Meaning 2 and 3 multiplies to 6, and 2 and 3 do not have common factors. You see, 2 and 3 do not have common factors.
Yeah.
So, if you split into numbers that don't have common factors, then you have to check their divisibility to check for a composite number. Make sense? So, divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6.
Yeah.
For 7, I'm not going to go in detail. 7, can all of you Google and come back next week and tell me?
I googled it last week because you told us to.
Uh-huh.
So could I explain?
Yeah, please, why don't you?
Okay, so
4, 2, 1,
yeah,
8,
so
7.
in 7, I got from the product was you split it in half, and this part, I mean, you split it where there's you split it to the ones place, and then you multiply the ones place by 2, so it equals 14, and you subtract it from the rest of the product.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's like big numbers like this, you keep doing it. You keep doing it. Then after this is done, then you do Then you keep doing it until you get like the final two answers, and the
Mm-hmm.
final two, and then you see if it's what do you call it? Yeah, if it's 7, if it's divisible by 7, or if
Mm-hmm.
it's 0, I think. Yeah.
24 is not divisible by 7, so
Yeah.
the number is not divisible by 7. So what he is suggesting is, if you're given a number, split the units digit, multiply by 2, subtract it from here. When you subtract it from there, right? 4, 2, 1, 8, right? What do? 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. I made a mistake. See here. 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, wait. 4, 2, 1, 8, right? So 7, 4, 2, 1, 187. Okay, let me do it again. 42187. He's suggesting split the units digit, double it. 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So subtract 14, you will get 4204. Now again split the ones digit, double it, 8. Subtract 8, what happens? You get 412. Again split the units digit, double it, 4. Subtract from 41. Subtract from 41. 41, correct. What happens?
It becomes 37.
37. Again, I mean, you don't even have to split. This is not divisible by 7. Make sense?
Yeah.
See, first time we made it incorrectly. Okay, let's do one more. For 7, I want to do. Vaibhav, are you following Vaibhav?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay, how about this? 52681. Is it divisible by 7? Split it. Multiply by 2, subtract that. 5266. Again split, 12 you are going to subtract, it becomes 514. Now split it, 8 you are going to subtract, so what happens? 40 is it 43? 43 is not divisible, so this number is not divisible by 7. Make sense? How about 717 or 71428? I'm going to try 71428. Now 8, split it, subtract 16, I get what? 7126. Split 6, subtract 12, 700. Now this itself tells it's divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Any questions here? Aradhya, did you follow?
Yes, I did.
Viraj, did you follow? Yeah.
Can you give us like a question to do like
To do okay, sure. Why don't we try? How about 74256. Can you try this one? 74256. All of you send your answers in chat. Avi and Vaibhav, new to the class, right? So you're going to send answers in chat to me individually. Go to the chat box, go to the top left corner. There is a blue box. So you're going to send it in chat. Answers, you can send it to me and nobody, meaning you cannot chat with each other, but you can send it to me in chat.
Wait, what's the question?
What
It's
was the
like
question?
divisible by 7 or not?
Yeah, thank you, Sarvata. 74256, is it divisible by 7?
Okay.
Good job, Vian.
Wait, it's saying that I can also send it to some people else.
Oh, you know what?
It says that Sarvathon or other.
Yeah. Okay, I'll remove that because you know what? I was 3 minutes late to class, so I had to make them co-host, and then now you can't send. Check. You can't send now.
Oh yeah, I can't.
I know. Yeah, done? Yes. Yes. Are we correct? Devansh.
Wait,
Can you
I
check your
feel like I found a pattern in this. Like,
what is it?
I saw this last time in the homework also. So
Hmm.
like, it was like in this number is
Hmm.
that all the numbers are divisible by 7. 7, 42, and 56.
True.
So
That
like,
is why I gave that to
if
you.
there's a number like 7, 5,
Hmm.
6, 4, 2,
Hmm.
7, I think it's probably gonna be divisible by 7 because like,
Agree.
all the numbers are divisible by 7.
Completely agree.
Yeah.
Good job, Vian. Good observation. I gave it to you. I gave an easy one to you, indeed. Okay, that's good, but I'm glad you observed that. Okay, now, somebody, Devansh, how did you say that it's not divisible, Devansh?
Because what I did was wait, can you write the number back?
Good thought. I don't know the number. Who has the number? Honestly, I forgot. Do you have the number? Yeah. Yeah. See,
It's
Vaibhav is given Vaibhav has given me 474,256. Go ahead.
So I did so I crossed out the 7, like, so 5 and 2, I crossed that out, and then a 7 out,
Uh-huh.
and then there was only 4 and 46 left, and
Yeah.
46 wasn't divisible by 7, so I said no.
But do you see the problem here? 6 became 12. I subtracted 741. Then this became 6. I subtracted 6. I got a 73.
Wait,
Then
how'd 6 become a 12?
6 becomes, wait.
you would have to multiply by 2.
Yeah, multiply by 2, right? 5 becomes a 10, right?
Mm.
See, I had a 73. 5 I split it and made a 10. 5 times 2 is a 10. Subtracted 10. Then it became a 63. That's all.
Okay.
Devansh, did you get it or not?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, good. For the number 8, check the last 3 digits. Just like 4, check the last 3 digits. Okay, this is where Arihan gave you a very nice input. To check the divisibility by 16, you have to check the last 4 digits. That's what he was saying. To check the divisibility of 32, he said check the last 5 digits. 2 power of. See, for checking the divisibility by 4, you will check the last 2 digits. It's 2 power of 2. For checking the divisibility by 8, 2 power of 3. 3 digits. For checking the divisibility by 16, 2 power of 4. 4 digits. For checking the divisibility by 32, it's 5 digits. The last 5 digits. This is just an additional input he gave. I just want you to know 8. That's all. For 9, again it is a similar pattern to 3. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Okay. 10 means units digit should be a 0.
11 is you add the alternate numbers and minus it, then if
Oh
it
yeah. 11 I forgot. Good job, Vian. 11 I honestly forgot to tell you 11. Okay, can I erase this, guys? Avi and Vaibhav. Can I erase it? Avi and Vaibhav, can I erase it?
Yes.
Vaibhav.
Sure.
Can I? Okay, good. Now, to find out 4569852 is divisible by 11, what do I do? Any thoughts? Any thoughts?
Uh, can I explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
So you would add the alternate numbers.
Yeah.
This would equal to like 20.
Add alternate numbers.
Yes, this is 20
Uh-huh.
minus so this is
21, right? 10,
21.
19, 20, 21, right?
Wait, how? 4 plus
10.
6 is 10.
Oh, 10 plus 8. 10
Yeah.
plus 8 plus 2. I'm sorry. You are only right. Okay.
So
Sorry.
minus then 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 5 is 19 minus
Uh-huh.
19 it equals 1 and that's not divisible.
14 and then 5, 19. So I added alternate numbers. See, all the odds I added, it came to 20. All the evens I added, it came to 19. Subtract them, you get a 1. 1 is not divisible by 11. So the number is not divisible by 11. Meaning, if the difference between the sum of evens and odds becomes 0, 11, 22, or multiples of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay. That was just a revision again. Okay. How about this? Have you heard about the sieve of Eratosthenes? Sieve of Eratosthenes.
No.
Okay. For this
No.
week, you're all going to Google about this and draw the sieve of Eratosthenes, list prime numbers till 100, be thorough with those numbers. If I ask you for a number, you should know whether it's a prime number below, all the prime numbers below 100, you should be able to memorize and come back using the sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, sieve is nothing but a filter. Okay, the filter designed by the mathematician Eratosthenes. That's all. Make sense? I'll tell you shortly. I'll tell you what he did. I don't want to tell you in detail. You have to go Google that. Okay, but short, I can tell. You know what he did? He just wrote out numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, I'm going to write till 30 maybe. Okay, this guy Eratosthenes, he was a mathematician. Okay, he built a sieve to list out prime numbers. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You know, he started first with the multiple. One is neither prime nor composite. Okay, that doesn't carry any value in his sieve. He built a sieve. How did he build the sieve? All multiples of 2 he cancelled out. 2 cannot be cancelled out. It's a prime number. Okay, he cancelled out all the multiples of 2. This is how he built his sieve. You're going to do this at home. Then he cancelled out 3, you cannot because it's a prime number. But all the multiples of 3 he cancelled out. 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Then he went to 4. 4 was a composite number. He went to 5. It's a prime number. All the multiples of 5 he cancelled out. Make sense? And then he went to 7. He cancelled out all the multiples of 7. Then he went to 8. Okay, you cannot. 9. What is it? The next prime number? 11. 11 he has to leave it because it's a prime number, right? But he cancelled off 22, 33. Like you have to go till 100, okay? And then he went to 13. He cancelled out the multiples of 13, not 13. Okay, meaning 13 is the first multiple. He left it because it's a prime number. Then he went to 17. He cancelled off all the multiples, but not that prime number. Okay, because this is not a prime number. So what he did was he wrote out numbers from 1 to 100. For all the prime numbers, he went ahead and scored off all the multiples that became composite numbers. When he scored out all of those till 100, and you have to keep going, then 15, 17, 19, 23, like that, you have to keep going with the multiples. Okay, till the end, if we go till 100, In this case, right, if you finish the sieve, you will be left out with prime numbers till 100. This is the sieve.
Wait, but I think you missed one.
Yeah, 32.
Yeah, 32.
8 multiple, right? Because okay, honestly, I did not come beyond 30 when we were doing 2. But when we were doing the bigger ones, right, I had to go till 35 because I could not cancel anything. Sorry about it.
That's fine.
So now if you please go ahead till 100 and build a sieve that he built. When you do it manually, you will figure out what are the prime numbers that are till 100 very nicely. Okay, and when it comes to a lot of math, right, you should know the prime numbers by heart. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've actually heard of the sieve of Veritas thetas,
Uh-huh.
but like it was called something else when I learned it.
It was, I see. Do you remember the name?
I think it was just like there. We didn't call it anything.
Okay. Okay. But let me know if it has a different name as well, Nevan. Okay. Now, largest, what is the largest 2-digit composite number built with prime digits? Please send it in chat. Please send it in chat. I really want to see how each of you do. That's my only way to understand. Take your time, but please think well and then send it to me for sure. Okay.
Built with prime digits.
Prime.
Yeah. Take your time, but try.
So what are the prime digits that you know? 2, 3, 5, 7. Correct?
Yeah.
Wait, is my answer right, Miss Priya?
Is your answer right? Wait a minute. I'll check. That number. Okay, but okay. Wait. I'm seeing only Viva's last answer. Hold on. Hey, Vian, you were the one who Oh, yeah. I do see your answer. Oh, Vian. Think well, Vian. Is that a prime number? I'm sorry. Is that a prime digit? You see, meaning individual digits. Are they prime?
Wait, like, does that mean like the factors of it are prime?
Okay. I'm a little lost in the question you're asking. Devansh, can there be two answers? Though one of your answer is correct, can there be two answers? Why, Bao? Then can you think of a bigger number? You're almost there.
I think what Rion's trying to ask is he's asking if the factors have to be prime numbers or if the digits have to be prime numbers.
Okay. Okay, good, Sarvata. Thanks for translating it. See, Vian, largest 2-digit composite number. We want, okay, let's see. 112 is a number. Okay, 112 is a number. This one is a digit. These things we have to know. That is the basic meaning. That is the intent of this class. This class is a little different. We don't operate it in a school mode, right? So you really need to know the basic foundations of how we call digits, how we call numbers. All this is important in this class. These are all digits. There are 3 digits in this number. Digits range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are only 10 digits in mathematics. We follow decimal system, right? DEC stands for 10. So this is a decimal number system. So here we have only 10 digits in mathematics. Any number can be framed using these 10 digits. So now largest 2-digit composite number built with prime digits. The digits should be prime. That's right, Vaibhav. Good job. Devansh, correct. Avi. What is that? Why did you change your answer? Did I say that they cannot repeat?
Oh no, because 77 isn't no, I mean 77 is composite.
Yeah. Sarvata. There is a bigger number, Sarvata, when you think about it. You're there on track. But can you think of a bigger number? Aradhya, correct, ma?
But I resent an answer. Is that right?
Vian, no, Vian. What is the biggest prime? Okay, I will help you. What is the biggest prime number? What is the biggest prime digit? You tell me. Of all these digits, what is the biggest prime?
7.
7. So that has to go in the tens place because tens place have a lot of value. Okay, so that should be the biggest. Okay.
Oh.
Now in my units digit, what can I put to make it into a composite number? It has to be biggest. I cannot do 9, I cannot do 8, but I can put a 7 and see whether it becomes a composite number, right? Yes, it is. 77 is the answer. I'm going to move on, guys, okay? Okay, how about this? I don't want you to categorize prime and composite and all. You can do at home, okay? Okay, wait. Let me quickly give out. Sieve of Eratosthenes. The book also discusses. I never saw this. The book also discusses sieve of Eratosthenes. You can use your book as well to research. You don't have to go to Google. Okay, book has a discussion on sieve of Eratosthenes. So you're going to use that, build the sieve, memorize the prime numbers till 100, and come back.
Wait, Miss.
And one more. Yama. Go ahead.
Which page is that discussed on?
It is discussed in page number 112.
Wait, isn't that the number you just presented?
By mistake, I presented. Okay, it was just a coincidence. Can I move on? Okay, now I want to go to prime factorization, LCM, GCF. Let's see. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Before that, I want to do one more problem in this. Let's see. Okay. How about this? I don't know whether you can do this. With the sieve of Eratosthenes, it's easy, but without the sieve, I don't know whether you can. Let's see. Okay. How about this? Each of you are going to think, okay, find all pairs of primes. What does it mean? See, understanding the English part is only making mathematics difficult usually. Find all pairs of prime that sum to, let me see, I'll give it to you, that sum to 61. Can we try? Aradhya, are you okay? Feeling lost?
No, I was just thinking.
Yeah, it's okay to feel lost. Doesn't matter. Just keep going. Just keep trying. What are the primes that you know? Start with 2. Start with 3.
Wait, do we like find all the pairs and like write it down to you?
No.
Yeah, you can write it down to me. It's not that deep. It's not that hard. That's why I give you. Aradhya, a very good try from you. But think about, I told you how to find out divisibility as well. Meaning, the two numbers that you've given, the second number, is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 5? Did you check? Did you realize something?
Yeah.
See? Go ahead, guys. Where are we? I want one of you to think out loud now, I feel. I want one of you to think out loud because it's taking time. Aradhya, you got the answer, ma. Good job. See? It just takes some thought process. That's it.
Wait, are there multiple
But
pairs? Because I found one.
good job. Can you send it to me?
Okay.
Yes, Sarvata. That's right. I told you that it is not that deep. Yes, Viraj, that's right. Yes, Devans, that's right.
Is there
If it's
more
two,
than one?
that's right, Vaibhav. Good job. No.
Okay.
Arihan, where is your answer?
Thinking.
Thinking? It's not that deep. Start with what is the only even prime in mathematics?
2.
2. 2 is the only even prime number in mathematics when you think about it. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. I really want to cover more. So I'm going to move on. So I'll start with a 2 to make my pair, 59. I go to a 3. When I subtract 3, it becomes a 58. I can't do this. I go with a 5. I'll try for a few more. When I go with a 5, it becomes 55. It can't be. When I go with a 7, what happens? I go with a 54. It can't be. Even numbers can be prime, right? Only even number that's only prime. I'm sorry. Only even prime in mathematics is 2.
Wait, how is 5 minus 61 55?
5 minus that sum 2, right? 5 plus 55 is 61, right?
Wait, no.
Oh, I'm sorry. 56.
Yeah.
56 is an even number, right?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Another thing is, instead of doing this trial and error, right, you have to consider parity. What is this parity? I'll tell you. I'll talk to you about it. This is the important piece. Here, this is an odd number. When you think about it, how do you get an odd number? Even plus even number gives an even number. Odd plus odd number gives again an even number. They're asking for the sum. So the only way you can arrive at an odd number is it can be a combination of an even and an odd number. Right? They are saying pair of primes. That means both should be prime. Both should be prime. Right? Now, if both has to be prime, 2 is the only even prime. This is the right way of doing it. But since you're all new, I'm asking you to go with trial and error. 2 is the only even prime. So what happens? There are no more even primes. There can be only one answer. This itself tells you that there can be only one answer because 2 is the only even prime. When you think about even and odd parity, odd even parity is so important in mathematics. It is very useful in so many places. Okay, so even plus even, odd plus even gives you even numbers. The 61 number is a odd number that can only come up with a combination of even and odd. If both need to be prime numbers, the only prime even number in mathematics is 2. That itself tells you that there is only one answer. Make sense? But this is quite important, guys. It seems so simple, but it is not. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The only two people, Avi and Vaibhav, are you following the class?
Yes.
Vaibhav, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, you're able to follow?
Yes.
Good. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Okay. A question to you all. Okay. How many of you have heard of prime factorization?
I have.
I have.
I have.
So a chunk of you, whoever has passed 6th grade, no. Okay, that's good. So we are going to review that. Now, let's say we have a number 28. Prime factorization means I will want to try to build a tree. Meaning I'm going to write this as product of a pair of number 2 times 40. Then I will keep circling all my prime numbers. If I want to write the prime factorization of 28, it means that I have to split the number into product of primes. Product of primes means I will circle this. 14 is still composite, so I will have to keep building the tree. 2 times 7. Here 2 is a prime, 7 is a prime. Now all my circled digits are primes. So now this is the prime factorization of 28. Any questions?
But don't you simplify it to be 2 to the power of 2 times 7?
I will go there. This is prime factorization. Okay. There is something called prime power factorization. What does it mean? I am going to express my what I am doing, prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 7. Okay. If I want to express this as powers, the 2 is repeated 2 times, right? So I just write the base and then how many times it get repeated? I write up. So 2 power 2. This I covered times 7. If I write 28 like this, it is called prime power factorization. If I write 28 as 2 times 2 times 7, it is prime factorization. Any questions? Any questions, anybody?
No.
Okay. Okay. How about, can you please send me the prime factorization? See, this is, many of you know already, I know. Okay. But just to make me feel convinced, can you send both prime power factorization and prime factorization of 252? Only when I'm convinced all of you got it, I'm going to proceed. Otherwise, I'll wait. Please guys, alchemists, I really want you all to cope so that the two newcomers can catch up to, and the rest of you, we have a spiral review of what we did. Aradhya, you got your books, right, Amma?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and you've reached the US, right?
Yes.
Okay,
I
good.
came yesterday.
So you're all, oh, but still you're on jet lag, right?
No.
Oh, good to know. Okay, but you'll catch up now. See,
Yeah.
slowly you're getting along. Earlier you were multiplying everything. Did you see the difference now? Very
Yeah.
happy to see that. Good job.
It's easier now.
But it is going to take a while more as well, but some of the things have become easy. Good to know. And your sister's book also, it reached you, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Oh, was that easy? Oh, yeah, Vaibhav, that was the earlier question. Okay. Good job, Avi. But can you please send the prime power factorization? That way I know how, that you know how to express numbers as powers.
Wait, is mine right?
Yeah, yes, Vian. Vian, you have given me only the prime power factorization, but I do understand you know
I
prime
forgot
factor.
to
No,
send.
it's okay. It's okay. You don't need to send.
I'll still send it, it's fine.
Okay, then send. Avi, correct. Okay, can I move on? Avi, have you already studied prime power factorization?
Yes.
Okay, can I move on, guys? Vian. Vian, okay. Thank you, Vian.
Yeah.
How do you like chat like power?
Chat power.
Just,
Okay,
just
okay.
write to the power or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can just shift 6.
Two. This one you can use the symbol.
Oh, okay.
The symbol is called caret symbol. It is shift 6. Okay.
That makes more
Like this
sense.
you can do, or you can say 2 power 2. Anything is okay. Okay, as long as you know the concept, I will just move on. Hey, Ashita, is that right? The Sarvata, is that right? Sarvata, I think you're in just a hurry. I know that you know this completely.
Did I forget like a power of 2 or something?
No, redo the problem. You'll get a different answer. Check. No. I know that you know because see, you've done it last year. Aradhya, correct, ma. Sarvata, I'll wait, Sarvata, but you redo and send. Viraj, correct. I think you just got confused on the products. Are you all done? Avi, you know that you already told me, so no problem. Devant, did you send? Neil, did you send? Nevan, did you send? Neil, did you send? Neil and Nevan, I get confused with your names.
How do I do the prime factorization again? Sorry.
You forgot, huh? Okay, I'll
Oh
help you.
no, now I remember.
Okay, no problem even if you've forgotten. I'll help you. Vaibhav, do you need help?
I don't know how to make it the power on the chat message.
Oh, that's all. Can you shout out then?
Huh?
Answers.
Shout out your answer.
2 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 3.
Oh, that's it. Good job. Yes. Neil, for you, I'm going to work it out on the board. Okay, Vaibhav, I got it. Okay. So
Yeah,
here,
I was
one.
just writing that.
But did you understand? Did you remember? Meaning, do you recollect? I really want you to recollect.
Yeah.
That's why okay. 6, 9, both are composites, right? So this you split it as 3 and 2. This you split it as 3 and 3. So 252 can be written as Neil. For you, I'm working it out. 2, 2, 3, 2. What is that? I made a mistake somewhere.
Wait, how do you get 6?
I got it. I got it. I caught my mistake. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Before you caught it, I wanted to catch it. Good. Okay. So here, this is 3, 3. Now, 2, 2, 7, 3, 3. Now, here I can write this as 2 power 2 times 7 times 3 power 3. 3 power 2. Hey guys, I'll teach you. Okay, I really want to close the class now, but then I want to teach you something. See here. Here, you know about factors, right? If I just ask you, this is a very, meaning this is not in the book now. Right now, you don't find in the book, but I want to tell you this. How, Avi, what's your question?
Shouldn't you write 2 power 2 then 3 power 2 in order, not the 2 power 2 times 7 then 3 power 2?
Okay, I'll go with yours. I really like the thought. That is correct. Make sense? Thanks, Avi. Can I move on now? Meaning, if suppose, guys, with this as a continuation of this, because I'll forget next week and I don't want to come back to this topic. Next week, I want to do some Euclidean algorithm and stuff. So, this 252, I'll tell this to you and then I'll let you go. Okay, so you can also be patient. What are the factors? How many factors of 252 do we have? Anybody can make a guess? How many factors of 252 are there? You know how to find out factors of 12? I'll write 1 and 12. Then I'll go through numbers from 1 and 12. This is how I find factors, right?
Wait, but then if you do that for 252, it's gonna be
Ah,
too much.
it will be too much of task. It is too tedious a task. We have to make numbers work for us, right? That's the difference between this and the school class. We have to make numbers work for us. 2 and 6, then 3 and 4. I'll go through numbers between. This is how I write factors. So from this I can find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors of 12. I can write this. This is easy for smaller numbers. But for 252, will I write 1, 252? Then 2, 126. After that, what? I'll go through numbers from 1 to 126. It's long. But you can find out the number of factors of any number so quickly. Use your prime factorization. Now 252 can be written as, guys, one of you help me. 2 power of 2 times 3 power of 2 times 7, right? That was it, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now increment this 3, 3. There was a power 1. So 2. Make sense?
Wait, how do you get 3, 3, and 2?
I just incremented the powers by 1.
Oh.
Makes sense? Similarly, let's say 12 had 6 factors. We already found out, right? I'm going to show you on this as well. 12, 3, Avi corrected me. 2 power of 2 times 3, right? Now, this is incremented to 3. This is incremented to 2. Do you see? Then I multiply these two. This many factors are there.
Oh, yeah.
Makes sense? So here 252 has this many factors. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 factors are there. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So one more number I'll tell you so that you don't forget. This is such a good strategy you can use. So let's say how to find out the number of factors of 121, let's say. So here I'll write it out as 11 times 11, right? So that is 11 square, right? How many factors will be there for this one? 3.
3.
You got it? So let's say 48. I'll split it into 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 3, 2. So that becomes 2 power of 4 times 3 power of 1. How many factors are there? 5 times 2. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so to
Yeah,
find
I
out the
got it.
number of factors a number has, use your prime power factorization, increment the powers, multiply, you get your answer. Make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's not there in the book and you will not be questioned on that. But for today, I mean, for the homework piece, right, you'll only do 3.4. You'll only do 3.4. Okay. I didn't teach much. So 3.4 and you have alchemist. That is enough to keep you going. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
If you have any questions, you're going to stay. If you don't have questions, you're going to log off and we'll see you next week. But please do the homework. Otherwise, you cannot catch up with the class.
Miss Priya, do I talk to you about the test on the 15th or the one that you released to me?
No, I want you to talk about the test you took, not my test.
Okay.
Okay, my test is okay. I saw your performance. I 100% you would have passed your exam.
The three mistakes are a bit careless, but
That's okay. But I just want to know about your CV. For that only I asked you to wait.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. If you don't have any questions for me, you guys can log off. We'll see you
Thank
next
you.
week. Okay, have a nice week ahead, guys. But if you have questions, stay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Priyanti.
Bye, Ma. Yes, Vian, how was the test?
It was like
See,
pretty.
uh,
It was pretty good.
pretty good. Sorry, okay, can you help me out with one thing? Can you write out what were the questions you really felt challenging? What topics were they on? Can you write out a message from your mom's phone
Yeah.
in WhatsApp?
Yeah, I can do that.
Would be very wonderful if you can do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that really helps us a lot. The next year uh, exam takers will really find it useful. Would you mind doing it?
What?
Whenever you have time, tomorrow or the
Yeah.
day after is even fine. No pressure.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye. And please let me know when your results come.
Yeah.
Okay. And do alchemist. Okay. Hi, Avi and Vaibhav. How are you?
Good.
Yeah. Tell
Good.
me. You know how to do the homework?
Yeah, I know the alchemist, but I don't know how to do the 3.4. That was my question.
Okay. Dad has got you books.
Huh?
Dad has got you books.
I don't know, honestly.
No, Vaibhav, I know that your mom got it. Ma, I don't have books for you. Meaning, I see you. Actually, I gave it to Vaibhav. He's near me, so I just gave it to him. I don't have any copies of books for you. Usually, if I have it, I'll immediately send it to you. But I don't have. Okay. So, is your dad going to buy? Do you know?
I don't know. Should I just get him right now?
Yeah, please. So that we can wrap up and you can come up with the homework next week, right? Vaibhav, did you have questions in the meantime?
No.
I have a question. This is
Sure, sure,
Vaibhav's dad.
sure. Yeah.
So since Vaibhav has skipped some of the classes,
Uh-huh.
previous classes,
Uh-huh.
are there any tests that can be shared that we
Sure.
can kind of do it as a prelude after we complete the classes, please?
After he finishes
Yeah,
understanding the concepts, huh?
yeah, lessons 1 to 3.3, I guess.
1 to 3.3. Okay. Let me I have to collect. But you know what? This group I'll anyway have a test at the end of when the session one of the annual year finishes in the month of not October last, but October first week or second week, we'll anyway have a test. Would that suffice, or do you think he wants it before that?
No, no. I mean, any previous tests that he had missed, if there is a
Oh, illa. Okay,
bigger
okay.
version, a saved version, we can use it. But if it is not, if it is just a manual test, it's okay. I didn't know the
Oh,
format.
I say. No. These kids, right? The kids in this group, right, would have skipped one grade math already.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so we are for them when they appeared for their exam. I used to share mock tests with them. I can share those, meaning those are sixth grade end of course tests. Would
Oh,
you?
no, no,
I
no.
can also share if you want an end of grade 5 expectation test.
Okay. Yeah, anything that will help him to, get up to speed on whatever he missed, that is all I'm looking for. Not for any next level grades, just for anything that would be
I see.
helpful for him to get up to speed with other students in the class. That's all.
I see. Okay. Do you know where are the recordings?
No, ma'am. This is the first
Okay.
But I do
Yeah,
have
but
this account created in the
the
apps to that.
AOPS online, okay, that you do it, but for him you have to create. Meaning, see, you sorry, I'm making Avi's dad wait for a minute. I will just finish. Yeah, and Vaibhav's dad. The thing is, AOPS online split your account from his account. It is always good because once he starts in your account, it's very difficult for him to switch to his account when he grows up.
Okay.
So split your account from his account. Yours is a parent account, and you have to sign a PDF waiver file for him and send it to them manually. They approve his account.
I did that.
Oh, okay.
We did that. So he has his. We don't have an account. Only he has an account now.
Okay. Makes sense. And I can, meaning for the test, right? Test piece of whatever the recording, right? In YouTube, go to @pi_kid.
Okay.
See, the details are there in the welcome email as well. When you read through the welcome email, it gives you how to get the recordings.
Got it, ma'am. I'll look into it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
and then Thursday class this time, right? Recordings get uploaded in GMT. So you have to search for Thursday and Friday. Okay, on either, meaning July 17th. Then the class before was before July 1st because we had a break from July 1 to 10.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so July 17th, and the previous class would have been on what date exactly? I can say, hold on. It would have been on June 26, 19, 12, 5.
Okay.
You can get the recordings when you search for June 26 or 27, 19 or 20, June 12 or 13, June 5 or 6, you'll have 4 recordings. So those are the only ones we have covered.
Sure, ma'am. I'll look into.
Not much, meaning just target covering one extra week per week. In 4 weeks, he'll catch up.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, I know he's very smart, so it should work.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, and anytime just ping me if you have questions.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, good luck. Yeah, anytime let me know if you have clarifications too.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.